Hi, everyone. This is Sonia. We're now going to talk about the acceptable uses of the P card during an emergency. I want to start by pointing out that any P card can be used to make standard purchases during a declared emergency. The charges will not be allowed at restricted vendors such as restaurants. So in order to make those purchases, we have the emergency designation that we allot to specific individuals within the districts. The P card may not be used to pay for any H contracts. During storms, we usually have our debris removals put on those H contracts, so you will not see those kind of charges on the P card. The emergency designation, again, this is a restricted role that we allow on the cards. It does require SMS level approval. I work with each district and their management to ensure appropriate individuals are assigned this role, and we are allowed up to 15 cardholders per district to retain this designation on their card year-round. The only purpose that this role is really needed for is the purchase for food or other unusual purchases that we don't normally see, or the occasional emergency purchase that may exceed $35,000. The list of emergency card holders, again, I provide that before each storm, and a list of those individuals can be found on our purchasing card SharePoint site, and I keep that updated monthly as well. On the processing side, to ensure that our emergency-related charges are captured for management and FEMA reporting, it is imperative that the storm or event name be added to the description field in the Bank of America work system. Even if we don't have everything ready to sign off on the charge, the quicker we can get that name of the storm in the description field helps immensely for reporting purposes. Also, the corresponding emergency financial project must be used for these charges. As with any charge, we have to have a detailed receipt and any required supporting documentation for the purchase. So the budget side of this with Pcard is that we actually do have to have available budget to process these charges through the work system, which in turn processes through our budget and FLAIR. The charge should be processed and approved at the cardholder and approver level, and most of the time those will be held at the accountant queues until we do receive budget. It's very important that if the cardholders notice these charges are flagged, that they do not remove the flags. Do a full audit, we'll hold those charges until we receive the budget approval, and then we remove those flags and send them through to be paid. What questions do we have?